Hi there. We've all seen software, applications, programs, and files that turn around and state, you too can get your video ranked on number one. You know, um, there's a few things, if you watch it, you might want to verify the information yourself first. So, how does one do that? Well, when they're doing the demo, quite often, I'm sorry to say, they're logged into their own Gmail account. And if they just uploaded a video to YouTube, guess what YouTube's going to probably rank higher than anyone else? Their own video. Yeah, YouTube wants you to, whoa, feel good, I guess. I don't know. Google does too. So, what you need to do is if you're verifying a video, whatever keywords that you chose, and I just did this quick video. There's a contest for a program that I bought way back called Create Studio. And they got a little contest going on. So I wanted to see, there's over 300 entries, so yeah, and some of them are pretty darn good. So I don't think I'd get it. But anyways, so I made a quickie 6 second video and I'm incognito mode, as you can see on the top right here, based on the keyword Create Studio Contest 2020. And I even put in the word December because they had more than one contest. And I'm still number one. But how did I turn out in Google? This is the great question. So we're just going to quickly copy that. We'll go to Google. And notice I'm still in incognito mode. And we'll just type that in. And bingo bango. Hey, I'm still number one. Bonus. So I'm going to give a tutor on how I got to be number one. Is that a common keyword? Would someone type that in? No, probably not. They might type in Create Studio Contest, but I'm number two on that one. Will it stick? If people watch it, yes. If nobody watches it, it starts going down the list pretty quick. So if you'd like to know more, let me know, and I'll see about I can make a couple of quickie tutorials on how to rank higher in YouTube. But in the meantime, anytime someone says you can get number one in the Google search, check to make sure that they are incognito mode. And that's about it for now. So I'll catch you next time, and thanks for watching.